There are three areas from the observation cycle rubric to look at today because we have one for using data to plan the lesson, using data during the lesson, and using data after the lesson. So to plan the lesson, the key points here are that the teacher has clearly used data from several previous assessments to plan differentiated lessons. Data is also used to determine which standards should be spiraled during the lesson and the length of time needed. During the lesson, the teacher consistently utilizes formative assessments and in-class assessments to ensure student progress and to adjust pacing by making in-the-moment instructional changes when needed. Teachers make a clear connection between student learning, current and prior knowledge, and student data, helping students use assessment data to track their learning as well. And using data after the lesson means following the lesson, the teacher has multiple assessment results which have been analyzed in order to track student growth, determine spiraled standards, and plan supports for students. Future lessons may be modified and targeted feedback given based on data. Data is also used to provide students with a sense of ownership of their goals and growth toward their learning goals. So these are all ways that you can use your data during, before, and after a lesson. And if you listen to some of our other PDs to go, there are a lot of connections in here to some of the ideas we talked about, like spiraling and reteaching standards, having students track their own data, and really having a sense of ownership of their growth towards these learning goals.